This is Mi A3, the last smartphone Mi A series. The smartphone launched July 2019 after almost 3 years. Should you have to buy in 2022? Find out in this video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Starting with the design and the build quality. When it's come to design, I think Mi did a great job. I really like this phone looks, and this phone fit my hand easily. I don't have a huge hand, but I can use this phone with just one hand. The phone built with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back with plastic frame. The Mi A3 have a really high quality 6.09-inch Super AMOLED screen with a resolution 720p into 1560 pixel with a 282 ppi density, and this is 82.5 skin to body ratio. So overall the Mi A3 skin is so good. Now let's talk about the OS and the processor. Right now 2022 the smartphone running Android 11 and the smartphone comes with Snapdragon 665 CPU using octa-core 4 into 2.0 GHz GPU using Adreno 610 with 4 and 6GB RAM. The phone performance is still so good. All the app opening and closing speed very fast. There is no problem performing everyday tasks such as calling, texting, browsing, watching YouTube, and you also play any types of game in a medium graphics. Let's move on the camera section. Mi A3 comes with triple camera setup, 48 MP main lens with 1.8 aperture, 8 MP ultra wide with 2.2 aperture, 2 MP depth with 2.4 aperture. And the front, the smartphone comes with single 32 MP selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120fps slow-mo video, and the phone video quality is average quality. Let's talk about the photo. Overall the camera is so good, you can get a pretty good photo with a lot of details. The phone color correction and dynamic range is so good, and at the same time you also use Gcam to take a better photo with a Mi A3. Let's talk about the security. Mi A3 comes with under display fingerprint scanner and face unlock, both on is very fast and secure. Mi A3 powered by 4030 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger. So overall you can get 1 day battery backup. So overall Mi A3 is still a very good phone in 2022. You can definitely buy the phone. Okay, this is all about Mi A3 full review in 2022. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.